Look around you. The world is connected like never before. Information is at our fingertips. Our lives streamlined by technology. But here's a question no one seems to want to ask. Is technology making us dumber? Before you roll your eyes and tweet about how technology is amazing, hear me out. This isn't about hating on gadgets or glorifying the good old days. This is about understanding what the digital age is really doing to our brains. And the truth? It's more surprising than you think. Remember the days when you actually had to memorize things? Phone numbers, directions, birthdays? Now Google is our memory, our GPS, and sometimes even our decision maker. Need to know how to boil an egg? You'll find 2 million results in 0.4 seconds. But here's the twist. While we're outsourcing memory to our devices, our brains are evolving differently. Psychologists call this the Google effect. We don't remember facts, we remember how to find them. It's like our brains are saying, why bother? Siri's got this. Convenient? Yes. Smart? Maybe not. Technology promises to make life easier. But at what cost? Studies suggest that constant reliance on digital tools might be dulling critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Take this Rubik's Cube. Solving it without instructions? That's problem-solving. But what do most of us do? Search for a step-by-step tutorial on YouTube. Why figure it out when someone else already has, right? This habit can erode our ability to think deeply, to grapple with challenges without immediate answers. And let's not forget about our attention spans. Research shows the average human attention span has dropped from 12 seconds in 2000 to just 8 seconds today. That's less than a goldfish. Blame it on endless scrolling and autoplay videos. But here's the crazy part. It's not entirely your fault. These apps are designed to hijack your attention. It's called the attention economy, where your time equals their profit. They're not just competing with each other, they're competing with your ability to think independently. Okay, so it sounds like technology is the villain here. But is it really? There's another side to this story, one that's often overlooked. Technology has also unlocked new ways of learning, connecting, and solving problems. Virtual classrooms, collaborative tools, AI-powered innovations, they're reshaping the way we interact with the world. It's not about what technology does to us, it's about how we choose to use it. So, is technology making us dumber? The truth is, it's a double-edged sword. It's not inherently good or bad, it's a tool. And like any tool, it depends on how we use it. Here's the challenge. Reclaim your mind. Be intentional. Use technology to amplify your intelligence, not replace it. Because at the end of the day, the smartest tool in the room is still you. Let me know in the comments, is technology making you smarter, dumber, or just different? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious.